ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಟಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೂನ್ 11ರಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ದರದಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಜುಲೇಖಾ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಶುಭಾರಂಭಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ನಡೆಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾ. ಎಂ. ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಇಂದು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಾವಿಗೀಡಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ 2ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಲವು ಜನರನ್ನ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಲಭಿಸದೇ ಇರುವುದು ಸಹ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಜನರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಟಾಟಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಡಾ. ಕೆ. ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮುಂಬೈನ ಟಾಟಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಎನ್. ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The purpose of my going was to start a comprehensive cancer care center, and part of it I did it in 2016, wherein we have established a cancer center with early detection, community oncology, outreach programs, cancer surgical treatment, medical oncology, palliative care. But we were lacking two things. One is the nuclear medicine facility, the other one is radiotherapy facility, and which are very important for part of comprehensive cancer treatment. That is how when we approached the Tata Trust, they were ready to help us. So they are doing charity work for Tata Trust, and about 4 years ago Sir Ratan Tata announced the Tata Cancer Care Initiative, which is to see, their motto was Cancer Free India. And as a part of that initiative, they are collaborating with state governments, they are collaborating with the NGOs, they are collaborating with the trusts and others, and that is one of the beneficiary is Yenepoya. There they have established a 5-floor building with 36,000 square foot area, wherein they have already built, and we are going to inaugurate on 11th June, that is this Saturday. The facility will be dedicated to the public at large on 11th June, Saturday at 3 p.m. Will be attended by their CEO Mr. Srinath, and will be inaugurated by Karnataka State Minister Dr. Sudhakar, who is the Health and Family Welfare Minister and Medical Education.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಡಾ. ಜಲಾಲುದ್ದೀನ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅವರು ನೂತನ ಆಂಕಾಲಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿಶೇಷತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
It will be free of cost to the patient in the center. It's a very important contribution to health, and as such we are treating patients with even other high-end structure which was already existing in our hospital, that is the robotic surgery, which is done at a very low cost compared to anywhere in India, and to bone marrow transplant, which is also started in our center, is also made very, very affordable to the patient. So the infrastructure that has been established now at Yenepoya is almost complete, and it's the best facility, infrastructure facility is made very affordable to the patient. So this information, once it is given to all the people, it may help them want to access a very high-end treatment to them, made to save their own, instead of spending a lot of money, they can save their money, as well as third thing is they need not travel very far, especially the people from Kasaragod, Mandeshwar, Kannur district, to get this infrastructure.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ 0824224600 ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಬಹುದು. ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ದರದಲಕಟ್ಟೆ.